In today's fast-paced world, the Remitly app makes sending and receiving money internationally seamless and secure. How to receive money on Remitly? To receive money on Remitly, all you need is a valid ID and a registered pickup location or bank account. Once the sender initiates the transfer, you'll receive an SMS or email with details. If you're collecting cash, visit the nearest partner location, like BDO in the Philippines or ICICI in India, with your ID. For bank deposits, funds are directly credited, and you can track the progress in real time using the Remitly app. How to transfer money in Remitly? Transferring money via Remitly is a breeze. Download the Remitly app, sign up, choose your sending country and destination, then enter the amount. Alright, next, you'll need to select the delivery method, whether that's a bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, or even home delivery. Then, just add your recipient's details and complete the payment using your debit or credit card or a bank account. You can easily track the transfer status, and the app even sends you notifications when your money arrives. So, how does Remitly work? Basically, Remitly acts as a bridge between global users by using encrypted technology to send your funds securely. It actually offers two speed options: economy for low-cost transfers and express for, faster delivery. Depending on the country, delivery methods and exchange rates can vary, but everything is totally transparent and upfront. So, users often praise Remitly for its really simple interface, fast transactions, and round-the-clock customer support. And, one standout feature is their guaranteed delivery time or money-back policy, which is pretty rare among competitors. Here are 5 insider tips for big savings that, honestly, not many people know about. First, try using a VPN to compare exchange rates between different countries. You might actually spot better deals that way. Also, consider sending your money during low traffic hours, like between 2 and 5 in the morning your time, for better currency conversion rates. Use referral bonuses smartly by splitting larger transfers into multiple smaller ones. This way, you can really maximize those reward credits. Oh, and avoid sending money on holidays and weekends, because exchange rates usually dip and your delivery might get delayed. Here's a cool hack. Chat with customer support and ask if there are any hidden promotional codes available. Believe it or not, this simple step has helped users save up to $15 per transfer. For more details, just check out www.remitly.com and look up country-specific guidelines at support.remitly.com. So, go ahead and start using the Remitly app today to send or receive money with confidence and savings.